I'm not sure if I mentioned this before or if I was clear about it, but the Outstanding High School Senior Program, what it does is, in your last semester of high school, during senior year, what you're going to do is you stop taking classes at your regular school and you start taking classes only at UNH, and you take specific classes in order to complete your requirements for high school. And I think, Hizami, what classes did you take for the OHSSP?
I took English, U.S. History, Physics, and Intro to C programming. Yeah. Lots in the video.
Alright, so Hizami, do you want to answer us this question? Will those credits that you get from those college courses be transferable to other colleges, like MIT or Yale?
So of course things like math and physics or science won't transfer to MIT, but something like a humanities might have a chance of transferring.
If you followed our educational journey, maybe on our Facebook page or our YouTube channel, then you would know that Hizami has had college classes at Yale before, and even before that, he's had college classes at UNH. Now, according to Hizami, there is no restriction that in order to go to Yale, you have to go to UNH or Gateway beforehand. But according to my parents, in order to take Yale college classes, you must first take UNH or Gateway college classes. So I'm not sure who to believe right now. Maybe I'll ask them to see what's the truth there on the plane. Of course, maybe times have changed because according to my parents, when Anissa, back in her time, she had to take UNH classes before she could take Yale classes. But for Hizami, maybe it was a different story. We might have limited information on this, but if you want to find out, of course, you can always search it up for yourself. And even if you do have to take Yale classes, even if you do have to take UNH classes before Yale classes, UNH classes or Gateway classes are definitely a good stepping stone to get to Yale classes.
I'll show Mott what's inside. Papa won't be able to see what's inside. There's actually a tube inside. No, this is just a cardboard. I didn't take it out.
Maybe you took it out wrong.
This is cardboard.
Hizami, this isn't unboxing channel.
Oh, it's nothing. There's nothing in it. There's nothing in it. Okay, here. It's just this. This is a picture clip.
Wow. But looks like you got a... What's that at the bottom?
That's my name.
That's your what?
Oh,
No, I'm talking about this.
That's like a tassel or something.
Oh, Hizami gotta wear that for his graduation.
Time and energy you put into your students and sharing them with us at the university. Some of you, you're stuck with us. You're going to see us over the next 4 years. Other ones, don't be strangers. Definitely come say hi. Tell us all the amazing things that you're doing and stay in touch because we are looking forward to seeing how awesome you guys are going to be. So thanks again. Congratulations on all the amazing things you have done and are going to do. And I'll see you guys soon, okay? Take care. Thanks for coming. Bye.
Why'd you open the window?
The dinner was held at App Restaurant. Pretty good, right? Oh wait, we haven't eaten yet. But we'll see. I asked the OHSSP coordinator, Ashley, about how UNH programs and Yale programs work together. And she also coordinates the other UNH program, STEP, which is... I can't remember what it stands for. Hizami, do you remember what STEP stands for? But anyway, it's a program that students at ESIMS can start taking from sophomore year, and that's what I'm going to be doing next year. And I asked her, do you have to take Yale classes? Do you have to take UNH classes before you can take Yale classes? And she said, no. You can take them in either order. You can take them UNH and then Yale, or Yale then UNH, but not at the same time. And you don't have to take one in order to take the other. And when I told her about Anissa's case where she had to take UNH then Yale, she said, well, maybe that times have changed, like I said. And I think that's it for this video. So I'm Aiman.
I'm Hizami.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. I've got videos on EyeOnAiman, both the YouTube channel and my Facebook page. Signing out. Peace.